Hello class, welcome to 9.4 part 2. Yesterday we talked about food spending at grocery stores and restaurants and how restaurant spending has drastically increased and even as of 2016 surpassed grocery store spending. We don't know right now based on the data we looked at yesterday if that's still the same during the pandemic and after the year 2020. But as of 2016, that was the case. To help you budget and save more money, today we are going to look at unit price a little more. It's going to be a little more mathy. A few fast facts here in our interactive notebook. The first is that American households spend $7,729 on average for food. 58% of shoppers, so a little more than half, actively look for deals and promotions before they go to the grocery store. We're going to talk today about unit price to help you save money. One key strategy that you can use to lower your food budget is to look at unit price. So when you're buying a quantity of things, are you paying less per piece or less per ounce based on the size and the product you're getting? So you're going to watch this brief little video from Consumer Reports and then answer this question. Describe how unit price can help you make a better financial decision in the supermarket. When you're done with that, you're going to go on to the next page. When you're shopping, unit price is a helpful value to consider. You can calculate the price for a single item by dividing the total price by the number of units. I think of it as dollars per unit. Dollars goes on top, division sign, units. Dollars per unit. In this activity, you will practice calculating unit price for various items so that you can keep an eye out for when you go shopping so that you get the best deal. Here's a price tag. This here is the total price, and then a lot of stores have this price per unit on there, but we want you to be able to calculate that as well. This is not always accurate, I've found. And here you can see that there's 56 ounces. That's the number of units we're going to be calculating. So let's look down here where it describes it a little better. You're shopping for ice cream and you see the total price is $5.49 for 56 ounce container. So that's dollars per ounce. Dollars divided by ounces. So you're going to take the total price, division sign, number of units. That comes out to 9 cents. We're going to round that probably up to about 10 cents because that 8 rounds the 9 up to 10 cents. The solution, the unit price of the ice cream is 9.8 cents per ounce. Now it's your turn to practice some of these. Your school supply shopping and you see that there's a 6-pack of pencils for $2.70. How much does each pencil cost? Remember, it's dollars per pencil. Dollars divided by pencil. At the grocery mart, tomatoes are $2.75 per pound, or you can buy 5 pounds for $11. What is the unit price for the first tomato option? What is the unit price for the second tomato option? If you need to refer back to the math on the page before, total per unit, please do so. And then you're going to answer C, based on the price, which is the better option. You're going to answer down there. Next sheet, you typically buy all your groceries at the grocery mart. This week your favorite cereal is on sale. 4 boxes for $10. At the food market, where you don't typically shop, the same cereal is on sale for $2.25 per box. You're going to use the math from earlier to decide what is the unit price at the grocery mart, what is the unit price at the food market. And, as you probably guessed, we want you to tell us which is the better deal. On the next sheet, We're looking at better deals for bag of apples. At the market, you buy 6 bags of apples for $25. At the orchard, you can buy 8 bags of apples for $35. What's the unit price at the market? What's the unit price at the orchard? And based on that, what's the better value? You're probably getting pretty good at this right now by calculating dollars per unit. All right, which store has the better deal? The store close to your school has 8 bottles of juice for $19.99. The store close to where you live has 6 bottles of juice for $15.75. Do you know what you're going to do here? Yep. Calculate the school, calculate the store, which is the better deal. All right, this next sheet, it's kind of all combined. Here's some more practice. We'd like you to try each one of these. You're going to move a blue star to where the best buy is and record that unit rate in the text box. So this first one, we have option 1 for cheese and option 2. Option 1, the star is on number 1, and that's the unit price. So you're going to do the same thing for Oreos. Calculate both of these. See which option is the better deal, the Oreos or the Chips Ahoy. Place the star on that. Place the star on which deal is the better option and what that unit rate is. You're going to finish this page, and we've got another page here for you. Here's your exit ticket. You're going to calculate your unit rate for these options. You're going to move the blue star to the best price. Again, you're going to record that unit price rate in the text box for that best priced item. We're comparing cereals again, some cans of food, some crackers, and then at the bottom, you're also going to explain what unit price is and how it can help you save money. You're then going to describe the most recent trends of American consumers when it comes to spending money on groceries versus eating out. That you could also refer back to yesterday's stuff. One last thing. On Sunday, you had an assignment due. It was an interview. You were supposed to interview a pro about their first job and spending. If you haven't completed that yet, make sure you complete that form and share it with Miss Hoffman and myself. And have a good day.